The luxury buyer, if they do a condo, they're looking for a high amenity experience. And they want to be able to lock and leave. And this allows them not to take care of anything and have a 5-star luxury experience when they are in town. Cherry Creek, maybe a few parts of the tech center. I have been noticing a lot more going under contract downtown. It seems to coincide with the reopening of 16th Street, because we're not allowed to say the 16th Street Mall anymore.
I have clients, like Amy said, they want to do condos because they want a maintenance-free style so that they can go away for the winter or go visit their kids for a couple months wherever they are and just lock that door and leave, and someone's going to take care of shoveling the walk, someone's going to take care of mowing the grass. They just don't want all of that anymore. They're empty nesters, they don't need the yard as much. And I would say the dominant portion of those clients that I work with are Cherry Creek buyers.